K53 series crafted from stainless steel, comes in sizes spanning 12 inches per 300 mm to 40 inches per 1000 mm. It excels in load-bearing capacity, with a maximum load rating of 265 pounds/120 kg. The K53 drawer slide can be fully extended. Press the small lever on the back of the slide track, the drawer slide can be installed and detached easily. Ensure sufficient clearance between the drawer and cabinet. Please distinguish the left side slide and the right side slide before installation. Before mounting, please separate the inner slide with provided lever. Measure a specific height, draw a horizontal line to level the slide track, or use a wooden block for assistance. For overlay cabinets, position the slide flush against the cabinet edge. For inset or flush cabinet installations, measure the cabinet panel thickness before proceeding. The resulting thickness is the distance between the slide and the front edge of the cabinet. Then we position the slide at the corresponding location. Mount at least 2 screws into the permanent mounting holes and install the other slide the same way. Pull out the center slide, insert the inner slide back in, and then fully close the drawer slide. Put a wooden board under the drawer to lift it up and keep it level, and check that the drawer doesn't scratch the cabinet when you close it. Use a tool to gently pry out the inner slide, press it against the drawer panel, and pull it out together with the drawer until the drawer slide is fully extended. Mount the screws into the permanent mounting holes, fasten the inner slides on both sides to the drawer. Then remove the wooden board underneath the drawer.